right, getting in more breaking input, staying on that news story. In fact, what we're learning is that the Delhi police has issued a fresh alert. This one is for a red Ford EcoSport car. A third car now emerging in the overall picture. First, it was a Hyundai i20, then a Brezza, and now a third car, a red Ford EcoSport car, suspected to be linked to the prime suspect, Dr. Omar Un Nabi, in the Delhi Blast case. The suspected vehicle is registered in the name of Omar Un Nabi, the doctor who was behind the wheel, remember, when the car got detonated. The Delhi police has also shared the car's details with the Uttar Pradesh and Haryana police as well, is what we are learning from the breaking inputs coming in. More importantly, a third car now in the picture. Let's quickly go across to Anvit, who will shed more light on these breaking inputs. Anvit, go ahead.
See, Akanksha, at least 3 to 4 more cars are there that are being looked into after this I-20 had emerged that had exploded. After that, agencies had shared inputs with police, not only in Delhi but also Haryana police and UP police, that there are at least 3 to 4 vehicles that the searches are on for. And now another vehicle that has emerged is the red Ford EcoSport. Now the agencies have formed multiple teams and multi-agency raids are underway in multiple states, and on their radar are also vehicles. Now what we are being told is that these vehicles were sometime or the other used by these people who have been arrested or the suspects and people who were in touch with this. So they are trying to find out these vehicles. This also is feared that there could be explosives linked to these vehicles or maybe in these vehicles. However, that is not, there's no confirmation at all on this.
But Anvit, what is the key point of concern also now? You're looking at a second car which is still at large. It could be carrying explosives. That means perhaps there are more suspects involved in the overall terror module that's being busted at the moment.
Certainly, given the kind of blast it was and the intensity and the amount of explosive recovered and then used, it certainly cannot be denied that there is a speculation that these cars that are under the radar now can also have explosives in it. But this certainly is an speculation because no agency has on record with this. But yes, they have confirmed that there are at least 3 to 4 vehicles which have come under their radar and searches for them are currently underway. Now, these vehicles are somehow linked to these people who have been arrested and those who were in touch with them. And this is also being said that there could be because we have been reporting this morning there could be a larger plot at play. So these vehicles could also be used in some way or the other, and that is why all the agencies are conducting multiple raids and multi-agency searches in multiple states are currently underway, and these vehicles are on the radar now.
Absolutely, and the CCTV footages are playing a very key role in piecing together and joining the dots of this entire terror module that's currently being unraveled by multiple agencies as they are probing. Many thanks to you, Anvit, for bringing us all those latest details on that news story. That's all I